So I was feeling bloated and tired and generally unhealthy, overweight, and I decided I wanted to change that and just feel better about myself. And I decided to call Nutritional Healing because I wanted to do it the right way. I wanted to not resort to, drugs like Ozempic. I didn't want to do fad diets. I wanted to really approach it from a healthy angle and, really get at, include nutrients and supplements that work and things like that. So I set up an appointment and I went through one of their protocols, and we did the testing. We took blood work and stool samples and sent that off and analyzed that, and came back and discovered that I have E.coli, which I haven't traveled in a very long time. So that's a traveler's thing, so I don't know how I got that. And then parasites, which is gross and not fun to eliminate, but good to eliminate, so glad I'm doing that. It's been about 4 months of the process and I'm still in it, but getting close to the end. And I do feel a lot better every day. I definitely have more energy. I feel less bloated. I have lost some body fat, all the things that I was aiming for. So that's encouraging. It is a process, again, it's been almost 4 months, but I know it's the right path, especially for me. And I assume and I hope that it'll be long term. So since I'm doing it in this way, that I don't want to say right way, but in my mind, right way. And so I think everyone should call Nutritional Healing because they work with you closely. They meet with you every 2 to 3 weeks and go over a different aspect of your results and tailor the supplements that you need to use. You're not just grabbing something random off a grocery store shelf. Like, it's really a program for you specifically, and it really has helped me feel a lot better.
For a free health evaluation, call Nutritional Healing at 920-HEALING, 920-HEALING.